has already launched. Honorable Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, Justice Chandrachud is also included in the gift packet. Thank you very much. Now I call upon Dr. Alexandro Gallo, Assistant for Apostolic Journeys, to come on the stage and receive the gift. Thank you very much. Now I call up.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.